Good morning, my dear students. So in the previous class, we discussed regarding a good topic, that is regression analysis. And today we are going to start probability part. So here you observe carefully. These are the formulas which we are going to apply for both regression equations. They are regression equation of x on y and y on x. Actual mean method. The formula is there. You observe carefully and prepare the notes. Then assumed mean here. Okay. Already we discussed what is assumed mean and what is the actual mean. When we have to apply assumed mean formula and actual mean formula, we discussed in the previous class. So those who are not listened the previous class, those who are not attended the previous class, today I will try to clarify these actual mean and assumed mean differences also. So regression equation of y on x here, assumed mean, actual mean. Then finally, to find out the coefficient of correlation, that is r is equals to under root bxy into byx. What is bxy and what is byx? We discussed in the previous class. So today we are going to start a small problem. We will go for small discussion this problem. So observe properly. Here problems of regression equations from the data given below. Okay, from the data given below, find number one, the two regression equations, the coefficient of correlation between the marks in economics and statistics. Okay, marks in economics, marks in statistics, the information is given here. Marks in economics 25, 28, 35, 32, 31, 36, 29, 38, 34, 32. The marks in statistics here 43, 46, 49, 41, 36, 32, 31, 30, 33, 39. Okay, in this way the question will be there by observing these question. Okay, while we are ready to solve the problem, instead of writing marks in economics, write x. Instead of writing marks in statistics, write y. Okay, then simply what is our formula? Focus on the formula, and by observing these problem, which method and which formulas we need to apply, that is the most important here. Whether we need to apply actual mean or assumed mean. Okay, simply what I am doing here, the question itself I am writing here 25, 28, 35 till 32. Then simply I am going to do the total, that is sigma x 330 and sigma y 380. Okay, we discussed and we followed this procedure in correlation chapter also. The same procedure we are applying here. Okay, the next, the immediate next one is here. We need to find out actual mean method formula, or we are going to apply, or assumed mean method formula we are going to apply. That is the most important here. So here calculation of regression equation x on y comma y on x and the coefficient correlation here. The first one is here x bar is equals to sigma x by n. We need to find out x bar and y bar values. X bar is equals to sigma x by n, that is 320 divided by 10 is equals to 32. Sigma y by n is equals to 380 divided by 10, that is 38. Okay, here the value, you observe the both the values, these 32 and 38, these values not includes in these two situation, no fraction values are included or no fraction values we got. So we need to apply actual mean method only. It is clear that 32 is a 2-digit number, 38 is a 2-digit number, and this 32, 38, there is no fraction values. Suppose a 32.10 you got, then you have to apply, okay, which method? Assumed mean method. Okay, it is clear that is the difference between actual mean and assumed mean. Okay, the next calculation of x on y actual mean. The formula is here x minus x bar is equals to r into standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y into y minus y bar. Okay, here y minus y bar. So the x bar values we already find it and y bar also we got the values. The next one here, r into standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y, that is, it is written as bxy. Again, this bxy is expanded into sigma xy divided by sigma y square. Okay, then here sigma xy and sigma y square values you observe carefully. Okay, here x value and y value we need to find out, then x square, y square, then x into y. Okay, x minus x bar is 32. 25 minus 32 here, that is minus 7. 20. These values we are going to do subtraction with 32. 32. Then these values we are going to do a small subtraction with 38. Then you will get these values. Okay, then x 7 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, minus 7 minus 4. The next one 3 0 minus 1. All these values we have to do a square. 7 square 49, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 0 square 0, minus 1 square 1, say 4 square 16, 3 square 9. Okay, then finally you got sigma x square is equals to 140, sigma y square is equals to 398. These two values you got, and finally you also got this one, x into y. X into y means 7 5s are 35. Okay, 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32. 11 into 3, that is 33. Okay, then finally you got sigma x square value, sigma y square value, sigma xy value also, that is minus 93. Okay, here you observe carefully, this is the formula. Then this formula is written here. In the place of x bar, see, in the place of x bar what I am written 32. In the place of r into standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y, I am written minus 0.23. Okay, see here, the calculation part is completed at this stage only. Minus 93 divided by sigma y square 390, that is minus 0.23. 0.23. Then finally the value is interpreted as here. See, my x minus 32 is equal to minus 0.23 into y minus y bar 38. Then immediately here 0.23 into 38 or into y minus y bar, then you will get this step. You will get this step. See, you will get this step. Then simply this minus value is taken this side, then immediately it is plus, that is 40.74. okay, minus 0.23 into y. Okay, then calculation of y on x. X on y is completed, y on x we need to calculate. The same procedure we are going to follow. Y minus y bar is equals to r into standard deviation y divided by standard deviation x into x minus x bar. Okay, x minus x bar. Same procedure. Already the values sigma x, sigma y, okay, sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma x into y values, it is there. Okay, the same how far we calculated x on y, the same procedure we need to apply here also. Okay, that is y minus y bar is 38 minus 0.66 this value into x minus 32. Then finally you will get these values. See here 0.66 into 32, this value you got. Then this 38 plus 21.12. okay, from this place to this place we are taking here and we are adding here, so you will get 59.12. okay, y is equal to minus 0.66 x plus 59.12. okay, here you got the x value and y value. X on y is here minus 0.23 and y value is minus 0.66, minus 0.66. So you observe carefully here. Then finally, coefficient of correlation R is equals to under root bxy into byx. Then R is equal to 0.38. This is a procedure to calculate or to get the find out the R value. Okay, I have given small problem. Please try to practice this problem. The procedure, same procedure you need to apply. Practice problem, and the tomorrow class I will try to get more problems for your practice purpose. And the tomorrow class will meet discussion on regression analysis. That is assumed mean method. So thank you very much for listening class. Observe this problem and try to solve this problem. Thank you.